Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the overall quality setting in Alchemy Factory. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From here, make sure you're in the Graphics tab. Scroll down. Look to the overall setting. Here you can change the overall graphic quality setting from Ultra to High to Medium to Low. I would reserve Ultra and High for people who want to play the game and have high expectation regarding the graphical fidelity, and Medium and Low is reserved for performance. Honestly, low is quite bad. I would honestly suggest, if you are playing with low, to improve the shadow quality to at least medium, so it doesn't look as terrible. Medium honestly should be okay for almost everyone. If you have overall average machine, I think high or ultra would be okay. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.